Hey there, Anna Malimon here, and today I want to talk to you about attracting money into your life. How do you attract money into your life? And so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a strategy with you that you can utilize, and you can start doing that today, immediately. So, the thing is, it's quite simple. It's using, and this strategy is practicing gratitude on a daily basis and making it into your daily habit. And so one of the things you can do is every morning write down what you're grateful for. So take a moment to be grateful, to think about all the things that you're grateful that you currently have, things that you have achieved up until now, things that you want to focus on and celebrate are the things that you currently have now. So another thing is that what you're going to get out of this is, first of all, you're going to appreciate life a lot more because you're going to start noticing the clean water that you have, the fresh air that you can breathe, the clean clothes that you can wear, and so on and so forth. You're going to start to appreciate life more when you think about those things that may not mean so much to you, that you may not think about very much so. But then when you really actually think about it and you start writing things down, because what you're going to be challenged to do is not to write something that's the same every single day. You're going to be thinking about doing other things, like thinking a little bit outside and deeper maybe some days, but those things that you currently have, like your house, your car, your children, parents, whatever, maybe you're in school, or maybe other things that in your current situation that you can be grateful for. Another thing is to notice other people and give them appreciation and gratitude, and tell them, like, really truly, like, what are you grateful for? It could be a cashier, it could be a person at the gas station, it could be anybody, in a restaurant, wherever you go, wherever you are, maybe at work, maybe one of your coworkers. Notice other people, so this will actually help you appreciate people more. And the interesting thing is that, like, we do this gratitude, we practice gratitude daily with my kids in the morning. So before we start our class, our homeschool session, we have a Bible class, and inside of that Bible class, one of the parts that we focus on is gratitude every single morning. So that's one of the things. And this morning, even I mentioned to my kids also that I'm grateful for my mother. I'm grateful that she has dedicated her life to us, and it's been noticeable that she did everything she could to help us be happy and all that. So one of the things is that the fact that I expressed, and I told them, and then we went to my mom and we told her all the things that I've said and more, because today is actually her birthday, so we got to wish her a happy birthday. So that was actually really awesome, because we got to do that in person and in practice, and talk, not only talk about it, but actually do it as well. And so this is one of the strategies that I want to share with you. So gratitude, so not just in things, but also to other people. And then also, another strategy is, what you can do, I'm going to share this really quickly with you, is you can book a strategy call with me. This is a completely free consultation, and so that I can help you develop a game plan for your business, for you to attract more money into your business. You have to have some kind of a game plan, and you have to have a system that's working for you. If you don't feel like you want to talk to me right now, you're not ready, check out these resources. When you click on the resources page, go through 7 steps to freedom, completely free. There's nothing that you have to pay, but once you go through this is going to be life changing for you. So that's all I wanted to share with you. That is eLifeBOSS.com. That is my brand, and so I want to invite you to come and check it out, and let me know what you think. I hope it helps you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So stay awesome.